What's going on, guys? Today is Friday and I have a little special vlog for you today. We're gonna go scuba diving in Northern Illinois. I'm pretty excited for this. Something I've never experienced before. Only one of my friends has, but I can't wait to show you guys. Peace. Alright, so just picking up Brandon right now before we head on out and basically get to swimming.
You guys want to see a lunch real quick? Alright, we got in the cooler.
Let's give him a little preview. Dude, this guy told me, he said, I'm packing lunch, and literally
this is kind of lunch
he makes
for me.
2 sandwiches, and well, when I think of lunch, I think of chips and stuff.
Oh, you want me to grab some chips? I'll grab some chips.
No, let's just go.
I'll grab some chips. You want some chips? I'll grab some.
This is pretty good though. Alright, well. Yeah, so we're just picking him up. I think we have to pick up, no, my friend's gonna meet us there. But we're like low-key falling behind with time because the sunset already came up. I think all we need to do now is just head on up there, get out and just swim before anybody else gets there. And yeah, pretty much it. Pretty much sunrise, guys.
Huh?
We made it.
Not yet, dude. Oh, now I know what you're talking about.
What do you mean?
Because you came here last time, like when you did like the kayaking video that you was posting on your TikTok, right?
Yeah, what about it?
Nothing. I just wanted to see.
So, what do you think so far?
Yeah, this is really nice. You mean you have the volleyball court and everything like that too? You have like the personal grills and stuff like that.
Yeah.
I think it's a pretty cool spot.
I think so too.
I'm surprised I haven't been here before.
Yeah, so we did a video last time here, and you probably can't hear me because that thing right there is cleaning. But so basically, it's like a local stuff, and we're not even really supposed to be here. But thanks to our friend, we're gonna go diving in a second. And there's a dude right there. See, give him a little preview. Like it's perfect today. Because dude, it was like 45 degrees when we came here, right?
Yeah, it was.
But
it got pretty cold out, but now the sun started to warm everything up.
I'm pretty excited. So, well, we're gonna wait until he gets here, and then we'll show you guys what's going on.